state political parties will be 40, and for other than recognized political parties, it will be 20. The Commission said this in a letter to the President and General Secretary of the recognized national...
Yes, you are listening this radio, a simple crystal radio, only one diode, one coil and a capacitor is used. See the diagram, this diagram, and this is the circuit. I am not going to show the soldering part, that is a wastage of time. You listen.
Uttar Pradesh and by-election to Majuli Assembly seat in Assam, the list of additional star campaigners, if any, can be...
This radio is just check. Okay.
Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted the people of Arunachal Pradesh.
How it is running so beautiful? 3 factors are there. One, the transmitter, high power station is required, and that is here near 50 kilometer from my house. There is a high power transmitter for covering Bangladesh. Bangladesh near Calcutta. This center is called Friendship Center, Moitri, Akashvani Moitri. Another second point is a big antenna, required big antenna. I live in a flat, 4-story building, top floor. That means 30 feet above the ground level, and used a big wire hang from my window, bundle of wire. This wire we used for lighting, light bulb. This wire I hang, make a bundle and hang in my window. Now it is winter, that's why this is inside the room. Window is closed. And third point is earth. Earth we have taken from the electrical earth, domestic earth line from the switchboard. Okay. So these 3 factors in favor of me. That's why this radio is running so beautiful. Okay. Listen again.
पूर्वोत्तर भारत 21वीं सदी में देश के विकास का इंजन बनेगा.
Yes.
Mr. Modi said modern infrastructure is keeping
हम अरुणाचल को पूर्वी एशिया का एक प्रमुख गेटवे बनाने में पूरी ताकत से जुटे. राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा के लिहाज से भी अरुणाचल की भूमिका को देखते हुए आधुनिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का निर्माण किया जा रहा है. हम अरुणाचल में प्रगति, प्रकृति, पर्यावरण और संस्कृति का सामंजस्य बिठाकर लगातार आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. आप
possible in YouTube. Lot of videos are there, but all are confusing. You can get this type of sound
greeting the people of Mizoram on their statehood day.
by a big antenna and proper art.
Pride in the
Okay,
vibrant Mizo culture
goodbye,
and the
good night.
contributions of